Come on, baby. Come on.
0 to 60 in 2.7. Excuse me, 27.
Oh, it's sparking. Oops.
Pick it up. It's going to hit 80 there, right?
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're working on White Shark again, and it's a little bit cold, so we got it fired up. In the meantime, I managed to blow up the muffler on it. Just so you know, a little bit of carb cleaner in there to get it started is dangerous, and it will blow things up. So I thought the motor blew up, but we're good there. I'll show you the muffler piece in a bit, but it just went boom. Poured some spray in there. Anyway, so today we're gonna try something different. Picked up some SeaFoam. So what we're gonna do with the SeaFoam is we're gonna do a 0 to 60 test without it and see how fast the truck is. I mean, we're gonna see how fast it'll go. And then on the flip side, we're gonna pour some SeaFoam right down the intake, get her all cleaned out, get all that carbon burnout just burnt right out of there. And then we're gonna take a 0 to 60 test again and see if there's any improvement. So follow me along, should be fun. Seconds.
0 to 60.
And 0 to 100 on the second round at 25 seconds. So
Pick it up.
let's warm it up.
It doesn't sound bad in the low range. It's just on top. It sounds like garbage.
Average, I guess. 23.7, 28. The best round at 25.4. That's not bad. Okay. Pour the SeaFoam in.
Nothing turbocharger. Nitrous with assist.
Yeah, triple it probably.
I think you'd have just your muffler in the back, the other things in the back.
So we blew out the intake with the fluid, what's it called? SeaFoam. Made a bunch of smoke. Seems like it's...
Sounds smooth.
Sounds nice, sounds like smooth, so...
Should be a good run.
Should be a good run. We'll see if we can shave like 10 seconds off of this time here. Probably not. Same spot. Zero it out. Here we go.
There's a fair. Brakes are good.
Oh, sounds nice. Shift. Come on. Come on. Come on. There it goes. There it goes.
Yeah, just
Worse. That'd be embarrassing to have to get this thing pulled out.
keys on the dash.
Come on, can you get that out there?
Back to the drawing board. That didn't work out real well.
Not at all. How did we slow it down? Ready for the race.
I don't think it'll matter.
It's so slow. Oh, very slow.
Oh, that was missing bad there. Pick it up. It's going to hit 80. There we're at 80. Just about. Come on. You can do it.
Come on.
Go, 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 go.
Still
Can't get her up. So close.
Okay, get her up to 100. Ah, I guess we'll have to use that like 0 to 80 timer though. Not great. Not great. Got it over 100.
Got her over 100.
So I don't think we've accomplished anything with our experiment. The truck actually went slower after the SeaFoam, so maybe it's just cleaning itself out, or might need some magic transmission fluid or something to go in there yet. But anyway, hope that was fun. If you guys are watching that, see if you're going to do that yourself. I don't know if SeaFoam helps it at all. I'm sure it sounds like it runs a lot better. And it made a lot of smoke, which was fun, but it's really hard to tell whether that makes any difference or not. So anyway, you guys take care. Have a good day. That'll do her. Okay, I guess that's the end of that fun. So. Till next time.
I can't get up.